Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Tails OS 6.10 on VMware Workstation. First go to Tails OS official website, that is tails.net. Hit enter. See here, Tails is a portable operating system that protects against surveillance and censorship. Now click on install Tails. Then see here we have the Tails 6.1 and it is released on this date. Okay. Scroll down, see here we have the burning Tails DVD. Click on it. See here we have the version Tails 6.1 ISO image. Size is 1.5 gigabytes. You can click on direct or you can use the BitTorrent. Either is fine. So click on this ISO image. See download started. Go to downloads. See its size is 1.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. VMware. Now click on create a new virtual machine. Then next, then click on this image disk image file and click on browse. I kept in here. So see here we have the Tails OS 6.10 ISO file. Click on open. Then click on next. Then select type as Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next. Then use the name for the Tails OS. Tails 610 VM. Then click on browse. See, this is the virtual machine. Click on browse. Then set the path where you have the announcement. Click on next. I am giving 50 gigabytes as virtual disk. Then click on next. See, this is the hardware information of the virtual machine. If you want to customize, click on customize hardware or otherwise click on finish. Still, if you want edit settings of this Tails OS virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select the settings or select it here and click on VM and settings. All three options are same. So, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 6.1 and hit enter. Now click on this plus button. Then see administration password is off. So click on it. Now set the password for the administration. Confirm the same. Then click on add. See, now we have added the administration password. See here, if you want to change the language, click on language and you can select the language. In the same way, keyboard and formats. Okay, I'm okay with all the settings. Now see, you can save some of your files and configuration in the encrypted persistent on your Tails USB disk, your documents, browser bookmarks, etc. Okay, so select it. Then click on start Tails. If you want to connect Tor automatically, select the checkbox and click on connect to Tor, that is Tor browser. See, this is the persistent storage. Okay, see, if you go to applications, see here we have different applications. Now open terminal, click on activities, click on applications, then see here we have the terminal. Open it. Now verify the version of the Tails, more/etc OS-release. Hit enter. See, we have connected to Tails OS 6.10 and its ID is like Debian. Go to quit, Control A. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update apt upgrade. Hit enter. See, it is updating. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tails OS 6.1 on VMware Workstation. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.